Hello friends, how are you doing today? Today I'm gonna explain to you regarding Gramfree website. Free website. So what is Gramfree about? So Gramfree is an website claiming that can help you earn $1,000 by completing simple tasks like watching videos, clicking to sign contracts, and taking lucky spins. So you can log in this website through your Gmail account or Facebook account. Any of these you can find the link in the description below and you can log in. And when you log in, you get the menu and you get the dashboard over here, and you can get the support as well. So when you come in dashboard, okay, so this is my dashboard. So you can see my performance over here. 129 roles and 24 people being invited so far and 90 smart contracts being signed. This is the performance based on my daily login. So 308 people I have watched the videos. Okay, so there are list of options over here. There is a support option. So this support option will be enabled to you when you reach the level 3. Then there is a free option over here. So what is free option about? Let me explain to you. In this free option you can see the people winning. The lucky number is 497, 838, 786. So here there is a table for that. Free grams, lucky number, and the payout system. So 1 to 980, it's between 0.1 gram you can earn, and 981 to 993, 1 gram 994 to 997, 10 grams 998 to 999, 100 grams, and 1000 to 1000 grams. Okay, so far I have won 10 grams and sometimes on an average 0.1 gram. So you can off this and on it, and then you can press on the rolls. You can see here 132. So I have won 0.1 grams. Okay, go to the deposit option. Okay, so deposit option I haven't used so far. Okay, then let me go to the next option. So after deposit, okay, my net is very slow, so deposit option. Okay, let me come back and choose this. So I can choose here. Okay, finally I come back into the application. So deposit option is of no use. Then this is a very important tool, that is withdrawal. So here you can withdraw the money by Bitcoin and so many options like Visa, PayPal, Skrill, etc. This application being referred to me by friend from USA, UK, and Indonesia. So far they have got the funds. so they referred this application to me. So lottery I haven't used so far, and it is not effective for me. So user level, you can see the user level. So what level are you in? So this is the status of my level. Current level 16, total points, level award 2.0 gram. Okay, so activity timeline, free roll, everything, it is bonus table, everything you can see here. So there are too many levels. So this is what I was telling about, that when you cross the 3 levels, your support option will be enabled, but I don't know how it is working because I never used the support option. So you can use the next option as referrals. Okay, so here this is very important. So you can press this link, just copy this link, and just you can post on your Facebook, and you can share it to your friends, and you can get per referral you can get 0.5 grams. So total invited history, pending, and this is a graph. Okay, how many people have retained so far, and inactive referrals. So use the original IDs. Okay, so videos, the next option, the videos. Video, the smart contract. Okay, so coming back to the smart contract, you can take the smart contract over here. Okay, when you press on the contract, are you sure you won't be able to revert this? Yes. Okay, daily you have to log in this contract and confirm the second one. Initially you will get the one contract, then as the time proceeds you will get more smart contracts. Okay, so you can confirm here, and again you can confirm here, again you can confirm here. Okay, so this is how you have to confirm. And coming back to the videos, this is very important. So you can watch the videos. Here the timing of 1 minute 60 seconds will be displayed. So you can watch this video. Okay, or you can watch this video, or you can let the time run. You have to wait for this. So I'm waiting for to end the time. So in these videos, many people post the videos regarding how to earn money from Gram Free from almost every part of the world. So I have finished this. Okay, you can watch this video. So how to withdraw? Many people withdraw the funds from UK. You can see this euro, the Europe country, UK, say GBP, that is pound. This is a withdrawal proof. $25, $24, $23. It will take maximum 5 minutes of your time daily. Daily you have to log in. So after 500 grams you can earn $1,000. So 1 gram equal to 1.86 USD. It depends on the rate. Watch the video. So this is how every video you're gonna watch. (42, 41). So many people load the video, they will have some benefit like 0.5 gram on posting the videos. Just by posting the videos. Seconds. Okay, completed. The task is completed. So you can watch. So 60 seconds every video you can watch. Okay, this is the thing. Let me play the video and show it to you. See how to log in the gram free. So when you log in, you can see time to roll. This fellow has earned 107.1 gram is a balance. So withdrawal is showing the withdrawal, how the withdrawal is. So after few months I gonna know this is legit or not, because I haven't withdrawn so far. I'm just sharing to you. Instead of wasting time in games, you can use your mind over here. Seven seconds, 6 seconds, 4 seconds. You can see here the pending balance. Okay, so I completed the task over here. So smart contract is over, and here there's a last thing, the frequently asked questions. So what is gram? It is about what is gram. Gram is a cryptocurrency. A feature of gram is the high speed of transaction. Cryptocurrencies implemented on early blockchain platforms due to the low speed of transaction and more suitable for investment that for use a payment tool. For instance, Bitcoin can provide. So this is the normal description, okay, in a simplified way. So why are they free? 10% of the gram mass is allocated in non-profit organization, that is okay, which you can call as NGO, which will help for infrastructure operational. Okay, lottery work I haven't tried, so I don't wanna try this. What is user level? This is an indicator of user activity on the site, which helps to identify the real users from bots which automatically try to trick the system. Okay, rule being increased. Why my video rejected? Video is not hosted on web. YouTube video is not about gram free. Your video lasts less than 1 or more. So you can check the instructions over here. What is smart contract? So regarding the smart contract, this is a very important tool for making the money. Smart contract, why it is taking so long to support? Okay, so they are saying that within 2 weeks and all that. So what is the minimum withdrawal? So as I told you earlier, the minimum withdrawal is 500 grams. When you earn 500 grams, you can earn the money. When do I get money to my card? So you will get the money as soon as our moderator is ready with your account check, usually within 2 weeks, but in some cases it may take longer. You don't need to pay anything. If you use a e-wallet, you will get the money immediately. You will need to wait a couple of days if you have Visa or MasterCard. Suspicious activity, what is it? Using third-party programs. So you should not use multiple IDs when you log in. You should use always original ID. Okay, so your application, your website can be blocked. So using scripts, this one. So finally coming back, can I register multiple accounts? See, this is very important. No, this is strictly provided by the rules. You can read the terms and conditions. Okay, so this is the full review regarding the gram free website. So this application is not available in Play Store. Okay, this can be directly downloaded from your YouTube. That is, I will provide you the link in the description below. You can directly download the link from that. Okay, you can just copy, place in Google, or just you can click on the link and go to the website. Okay, so here will be the link. You can even refer to the friends, okay, and family. In the referrals you will get the link. Okay, so this link I'll provide to you in the description, and you can click on the link and log in. So slowly when you proceed, when your grams increase, your level will increase, and there are too many levels over here. Okay, so this is perfectly a full review regarding the gram free, how to log in and how to use it. And very important tools in gram free website is free option. Daily you have to go to free option, then you can go to videos, referrals, and smart contracts. Okay, this is very easy to use. You should have a proper internet connection. So see, after 1 hour you can use again on these roles, and smart contracts on the daily basis. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a nice time.